Good morning, children. So last class we have discussed regarding that is programming with C input and output functions. So that is standard input, standard output, standard ER, what are header files. Then in that we have printf and scanf functions for header files. That is standard input output header files, which includes these two functions here. Apart from that, we have discussed regarding that is format specifiers. For example, %d for integer, %f for float, %c for character. So next one we have discussed regarding a small program also, the format specifier. Then we have been through this one, escape sequences. So let us start with the next functions, that is get char and put char functions. So children, here why we are using this get char and put char functions, because if you want to use, it is used to read a single character typed into a variable in a program. So for that reason we are using get char, and put char, that is function, it is used to display that is a single character here. So here I'll give you one example for this these two functions, children. So get char and put char, to read a single character and to display a single character on the screen. So in case you want to display more than one character on a screen, you can use this in a loop also. So I'll give you one example regarding this one. That is a program to accept single character and display a single character. When you are accepting a single character from the keyboard, and if you want to display a single character on the screen, there is an example for this one. So let us start with the example, that is hash include. So that is hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, then void main, that is a function here. Can you see it on the screen, children? So here is an example, hash include stdio.h, conio.h, both are header files. You can see before that we have a comment line which is been enclosed within slash and star mark, and void main is a function. Below that flower bracket, then char ch. So char is what here? This is the data type. Ch is a variable. So printf, that is print function, enter a character within inverted commas I have taken. So this sentence is going to be printed on the screen when you take the output. So ch is equal to get char, that is function. So ch, this is a variable, and whichever you are reading the data, it will be stored in that particular variable. So printf, so what we are going to print? The single character, whichever you are entering, giving with the help of keyboard. So the character entered is inverted comma, that is colon. Below that we have put char, that is to display a single character. So what it should display? That is the variable. Whatever answer is saved in that variable. Which variable? That is ch is a variable. So it will retrieve the data from ch. It will be displayed with the help of this put char function. So last one we have that is get ch function again, then close bracket. So here what will be the solution, children? What will be the output for this one? So the answer will be enter a character, then you'll enter one character here, any character, any alphabet you can enter. So when you press enter key from the keyboard, the answer will be like the character entered is whichever the character or the alphabet you have entered, that will be printed. So with the help of get character and put character. So after that, children, one more we have function, that is gets and puts. So gets and puts. So gets, this is a function which will read a string with spaces from, that is standard input out, that is input into the variable. So puts it, what it will do, that is a function displays a string on the, that is standard output here. So basically these two are also input and output functions, children. So I'll give you one example. The gets function is used to read a string, and puts function is used to display a string. Below that we have two header files. Below that we have a function, then the flower bracket. So character string, within that we have 50, that is a array here, that is the length, that is the limit here. So printf, enter a sentence. We are not entering a character, we are entering a sentence. Below that gets string. So str again, that is the variable. Char is the data type. On the top you can see, and gets is a function. What it has to be entered, what it has to read, that is a variable str. So below that we have printf slash n. You can see this is a escape sequence. The sentence entered is inverted close. Then next line you can see, children, that is puts. that is within that str. So you can see here, children. So that program is over. The next example for the same function is to calculate the area of circle. You can see it on the screen, children. That is two header files, void main, then float, it is a variable. Pi is equal to 3.14. Pi is a variable with the constant, that is 3.14. It is assigned. Float radius is equal to 10. Already it is given, it is passed here itself in the program. And area is also a variable, that is a float value. Area is equal to pi. So the pi, that is a variable, into radius, that is pi r square. Then printf, the area of circle is percentage f comma area. Percentage f is nothing but here float, whatever the declaration part we have